Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. One thing that destroys unity and love is favoritism. Favoritism means treating someone better than the other. Maybe because they are rich, they are close to us, or they are useful to us. And this can happen at work, at home, or even among friends and even churches right now. And most of the time, we respect those people who has money and power. And we ignore the one who is poor and quiet, or those ones that cannot help us. But in the eyes of the Lord, every person has equal value, as we are all created equally by God. And if we only treat well those who benefits us, it's not true love. True love is when we treat everyone with kindness, with fairness and respect, even if they cannot give something in return. You know, one strong truth about this is that God does not show favoritism, and His people should not show either. In James 2 verse 9 it says, "But if you show favoritism, you sin, and you are convicted by the law as the law breaker." Hope this helps, and thank you for listening. To God be the glory.